The world of cartoons, and what I've selected for us to tackle is SpongeBob. So, SpongeBob is actually quite easy to make. So first, let's do the sponge part. So just draw a wavy line that goes a little bit inwards from the bottom at the top. We just do a wavy line across and just connect it in the corner. Then we do another line downwards that goes a little bit inwards. There you go. And then you connect again with a wavy line from the bottom. And there we go. That's already the sponge done. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna give SpongeBob those square pants. So what you need to do is you just draw a rectangle at the bottom. There we go. And you sort of cut that in the middle. The top is gonna be the shirt and the bottom is the pants. Then let's give the shirt some colors, and in the middle we do a third triangle, and from that triangle we hang the tie. Right, so now we've got already some major parts of the square pants done. Then let's do next legs. Legs are just two really thin sticks. And then we do 1, 2, 3 in the middle of them because he's got socks on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's legs done. Then what we're going to do is we're going to draw shoes. So the way to tackle these is to first draw a little bit of wavy line to get the heel, and then this kind of a shape, a little bit like a 3 that goes over, and then that means, and here as well, 1, 2, and 3 the other way. There we go, and there we've got the SpongeBob's shoes like that. Then next thing to do, let's do shirt for the SpongeBob. So what you do is you draw like that, and then let's do the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and this second one is gonna wave a bit. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's give a little bit of shape for those arms. There we go. But they are just as stick-like as the legs were. Then the easiest ways to do the face would be to sort of find the middle spot, which is somewhere here, and then you draw there a nose. There we go. And then you sort of, as you go, you need to have the bottoms of the eye sort of match almost the bottoms of the nose. It sort of ends a little bit higher. And try to make 2 squares that are sort of stuck together but open outwards. So you go straight up from the middle and round, 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 and you connect it to the nose. And then the other one does exactly the same thing. There we go. Then let's do some eyelashes, and SpongeBob's eyelashes are actually quite thick. So what I would say is that just do 3 eyelashes and make them a bit thicker. A little bit of color inside. There we go. There, and 2 and 3. Okay, SpongeBob has eyelashes. Then let's do the eyes. So you do black in the middle, and then we need blue outside. There we go. Black. I'm gonna color that part blue. Right. Then the next thing, let's do the mouth. So mouth is approximately as wide as the eyes are. So you just go and whatever is that you got left, go a little bit over halfway. And then let's do teeth. And a little bit of chin. There we go. And then the last thing to do is the spongy look. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw some of these little sponge holes. And there we go. And a couple more onto the other side. There. And what is still missing is the belt. So the SpongeBob does not have a belt. There we go. Let's make a belt for the SpongeBob. So there's our SpongeBob.